Guys, this is James Cantney's. I had a furnace guy come in here to fix the furnace of $691. Reese Company. That's the new motor. Let me zoom in. There's a new motor in that fan. I'm going to have Cindy turn the furnace on. Honey, turn it on. Huh? Turn it back on. I want you guys to listen to this. I want some witnesses.
I turned it back on.
Alright. You guys hear that? Do it again. That new motor. It's brand new right there. You hear that? See? Listen to that. Shut it off, dear. You hear that? That was $691 worth of work. Of what? We're freezing. We're cold in this house. At 9 a.m. in the morning, I'm going to be calling this company. And I'm going to let them know my opinion. I'll be nice for a little bit, but if they turn me the wrong way, we'll see them in court. Because I got the video, and I got you guys as a witness. What time is it?
6:52.
6:52 a.m. in the morning. This happened last night. Happened last night when I went to bed. I heard a noise. I said, uh-oh. That's what I said. Well, guess what? Now you guys know what I'm having problems with. Alright? This video is going to be saved. And if I need to go to court with it, this video is going. You guys have a good day. We're going to try to get heat in the house. We turned the oven on. I guess I want to do the fireplace again. Alright. Later, guys.